What's going on, guys? What's happening? It is your boy Mutupi. We're back again on my YouTube video. So what's actually happening is that today we are going to be looking at a trade that was able to give us at least over 110k within just a few hours. So how we saw this trade is that we spotted it. I shared it a few days ago with you guys on this market overview, and on top of that we executed the trade and we were able to resolve from it. But one thing that I'm going to show, or one thing that I'm going to do, is that I am going to show you the thought process. I am as well going to show you the execution process, and at the end I am going to show you some of the results that we're able to capitalize, and as well what you can expect moving forward. So obviously, if you are new on my YouTube channel, the one thing that I need you to do is to be able to just like this video only if you happen to find value, but at the same time I need you to also subscribe to my YouTube channel. We are currently, I believe, somewhere around 260k followers or subscribers, but the goal is to actually reach 500,000 within the next 6 months. So I believe that it will be hit only if you happen to find value and you follow through with that. So yeah, guys, without wasting time, without getting too deep into certain things, let us move on to the markets and show or see what actually is going on here. So you can simply see right here what I have is US30. So I'm looking at the Dow Jones market, US30, and one thing that I like is that just by coming from the 4 hour, let me just start it from a bigger time frame. If you want to see a clear video that shows literally as before we took this trade, then just watch my previous video, because that is the market overview that we done and we went through this trade. But right now, one thing that I was able to see is that price went below, low, yeah, price went high, lower high, lower low, and then boom, as soon as it went up, it broke the previous lower high. So you can see it even broke the previous lower high here. So basically price started creating new higher highs, and then as soon as it went down, it didn't break, but it went above here as well, and then this broke this inner lower high, lower low, lower high, and then boom, it broke it. So from this I said as a change of character. So what happened is that eventually I decided that I am going to look for an entry, and by the time the very first position, the first entry that we saw was a bad one. It was a poor entry, but I'll show you guys the thought process. But I actually executed 2 entries on it. I'll also show you my second entry. So with the first one, what happened is that price came, it broke above here, so this was a confirmation. It came down, and then as soon as it played around here, I was just waiting for something that would give me nice clear candlestick confirmations. So as soon as price went up, it went below here, then it went up, it broke above here. So now price broke the lower high, so it's now creating higher highs, higher lows, and that. So as soon as I saw this, what I done is that instead of just being patient waiting for my entry, meaning that being patient and waiting for price to come back to retest here where the previous sellers were at before the buyers took over, what I done is that I executed the trade immediately, on which there was a poor entry. So as soon as you can see, we executed here, but it went in a bit of a drawdown. Fortunately, I was able to know that where I should put my stop loss, even if it does happen to go against me, just so I can secure maximum profits. So eventually I was supposed to maybe enter here, so we didn't. I only entered here as soon as my second, when I saw this position happening, I entered here. And I want to show you guys that flipping just this, the first position was supposed to give us somewhere close to 3.4%, but the second one 10%. So with that being said, price went below, tested here, and then boom, all the way up, all the way up, all the way up. And one thing that I love about this is that just before price actually even came back down like this, just before this move happened, already we took profit somewhere here. Because let me show you in the Discord. Let me just come in the Discord so I can be able to just show you guys this exactly what it is that I'm seeing. You can see how we sent it right here. We sent it when it's still here. By now US30, you can see it was still here, stop loss just below, and then boom, by the time I was like lock maximum profits, you can take profits. At this time it was like 5 minutes past 3. So if I may just come back to the charts and show you guys 5 minutes past 3, it's somewhere here. Let me just do this. Somewhere 5 minutes past 3, so you can see it's somewhere here. Right here is where we took profit. So on this candle is where we took profits. So imagine price pushed upwards, maximum profit. Just before it dropped, that's when we decided to take profit, and then it dropped massively, and then back once again it shot up. It shot up massively from that drop. So what happens is that right now, moving forward, yes, we did secure the trade, we did execute it, we did catch a trade here as well. We caught another trade here, we went up, we took profits here as soon as it broke the previous lower high. price went down. We missed out on the second opportunity. We could have took the second opportunity, but we just didn't. So what now? What is it that we're expecting for today, for tomorrow, and as well Friday? What is it that we can do? So the one thing that I'm now looking at is price. Obviously it did break above here, the previous lowest lower high, so now it created new higher highs. So right here it filled, and here you can see we've got higher lows. So one thing that I'm seeing is price now continuing to create more higher lows, which means that right here where price is at, I'm looking for price to actually come retest somewhere around here. I'll put some buy limits here, stop loss right here, and then my first take profit, which is here, we're looking at a 5.8% on return, but my overall or second take profit is here, which will be close to at 10% on just the single position. So one of the reasons I'm showing you this is honestly the most important thing that a person can do is to excel or master their skills when it comes to trading, just so you are able to make the right informed decision. I see a lot of people that are thinking that maybe trading is gambling, this and that, but once you've got the right knowledge, once you're able to make the right informed decisions, automatically you decrease the chances of losing and you increase the probabilities of winning. So that's what we are going to be focusing on. And I know there's a lot of you guys that are also asking yourself like, okay, what if you don't have time to trade? What if you haven't got time to do all these things? What if maybe you are just not too confident to be placing trades? So what happened is that us as Forex Chasers company, what we've decided to do is that we have partnered up with IQ Markets, whereby if only you follow 3 simple steps, you'll be able to get access to our platinum packages, which is valued at over $99, which automatically when you convert it to rands, it's over 2,000 rands. But what it will allow you to do is that you'll be able to get daily access to daily sessions, signals. You'll be able to also get some courses that come within that package. So it's only 3 simple steps that you can follow in order of you to become a member within our platinum package without paying that amount that I did mention, meaning that it's going to be free access to you. So the first thing that you need to do is, if you are interested, obviously the very first link that is in description, check it out, click it, and that will lead you to those 3 instructions that I did say. And I cannot wait to see in the team. But at the same time, guys, the most important thing about being a trader is the execution part of it, and as well the managing. It's not about looking for a trade and all those things. The execution and the managing. Once you're able to execute a trade that you've been waiting and observing for the past few minutes or hours, and you execute it properly, and on top of that you are able to manage it accordingly, there's a higher chance that you are going to make a lot of money. Because if you manage a winning trade, it automatically means that you are always losing a specific amount of capital, but whenever it's wins and profits, it's always a lot, or it's an exponential, because of the fact that you are not capped, you are not limited. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys were able to spot this. I'll just make sure that everything that I did say is also supported with evidence of the trades that we did take. But I'm excited that you guys did watch this video. I will see you in the next YouTube video. It is your boy Liswa Mutupi, and I thank you so much for watching. Kindly make sure that you have liked, subscribed, and comment below. Tell me what you guys are thinking about this US30 trade, and I cannot wait to see you guys on the next YouTube video.